Hello guys, this time I'm gonna introduce about Moscap before learning about MOSFET. So I think that what terminology means is the important part of the studying. So I think we should know about what Moscap means. The Moscap is the shrink word of the metal. O means oxide, semiconductor, capacitor. So from the name, we can know instinctively like Moscap means the capacitor consists with the metal and oxide and semiconductor. So the Moscap's EK diagram is pretty similar like the PN junction, but the little different point of this is the oxide is insulator. So when we draw about the EK diagram of Moscap, then there is a scalar point of the EK diagram. So the bias voltage is pretty similar like PN junction, but in textbook, most textbook explains the voltage difference about the Moscap. We say plus voltage or minus voltage. I think it's because the body of the Moscap could be a P semiconductor or N semiconductor. But we know that we know from the PN junction the Moscap's action is pretty similar like PN junction. So when we give them to a forward bias like the P side of the Moscap, then its action is pretty similar like PN junction. The EK diagram of the Moscap is go upside. So the Fermi level of the two negative semiconductor and positive semiconductor is pretty same. So if the gap is becomes smaller and smaller, then we could say those guys the flat Moscap. The other way we say just Moscap. So this time was the brief explanation about the Moscap. Next time I'm gonna introduce you guys about the MOSFET, which means the metal oxide semiconductor. FET means the field electric transistor. So see you later. Bye bye.